Understanding Be in hot water, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, be in hot water. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to be in hot water. The phrase, be in hot water, has an interesting origin. It dates back to a time when being in actual hot water was associated with trouble, such as being in a hot bath for too long or in a hot spring with potential for danger. Over time, this literal experience transformed into a metaphorical one, indicating a person is in a troublesome or difficult situation. In modern English, when someone says they are in hot water, it means they are in trouble or facing a problem. It's often used to describe situations where someone has done something wrong and is now facing the consequences. For example, after missing the deadline, Jim found himself in hot water with his boss. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. She was in hot water when she forgot her friend's birthday. I'll be in hot water if I don't finish this report by tomorrow. Notice how the phrase fits naturally into sentences to describe a state of difficulty or trouble. English has many expressions similar to be in hot water. Some of these include, in the doghouse. This means someone is in trouble, usually with a specific person. On thin ice. This indicates that someone is in a risky situation that could lead to trouble. Understanding these expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more vividly. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, be in hot water. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that it adds a new dimension to your understanding of English expressions. Remember, learning these phrases can make your communication more effective and natural. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.